name is Alan Kohler, and I'm the marketing manager for ODYSSEY Batteries at EnerSys. April kicks off National Car Care Month and is the perfect opportunity to check in on your car battery. Throughout the month, myself and a few of my colleagues and some star-studded guests will be stopping by to provide some helpful battery maintenance tips to optimize vehicle performance for the warmer months ahead. Our first tip, and probably the most important, is safety first. When handling the battery, protect your eyes with goggles or safety glasses and your hands with gloves. And use insulated tools, even if it's just wrapped in electrical tape like this one, to prevent a short circuit when working with the battery. As always, be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for battery care and handling and direct all questions to a battery professional. To follow the latest ODYSSEY Battery news, visit our website at www.odysseybattery.com or connect with us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook using the hashtag MyOdyssey. Thank you.